Welcome back, students. Let's now discuss converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of Thales theorem. BPT means basic proportionality theorem. In basic proportionality theorem, we have studied that a line drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. And have proved it also that if D is drawn parallel to BC, it means AD upon DB equals AE upon EC. And not only this, but AB upon AD equals AC upon AE. And not only this, one more form is AB upon DB equals AC upon EC. So all these are the forms of basic proportionality theorem, which we have studied in previous session. So let's now discuss converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse means it is just opposite. Means if a line is drawn dividing two sides of a triangle proportionally, then it will be parallel to the third side. Means what is given to us this time? This time it is given that AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC. AD is to DB equals AE is to EC is given. In triangle ABC. And to prove what we have to prove this time? We have to prove that D is parallel to BC. This is not parallel this time. We have to prove that these two lines are parallel. So we start with the proof. That is, if AD upon DB equals AE upon EC is given. Now we have studied one more criteria of similarity, which is SAS. Means if two sides are proportional and angle between them are equal, then the two triangles are similar. And if we prove that this triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, so corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So we will be able to prove that angle ADE equals to angle ABC. If these two angles are equal, means the sides corresponding to them, lines corresponding to them, DE and BC will be parallel to each other. This is by corresponding angles axiom, that if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So let's now first of all prove that these two triangles, triangle ADE and triangle ABC, are similar. So how to prove this? For this, one thing which is given in the statement, that AD is to DB equals to A is to EC. But in triangle ADE, we observe that AD and AE are the two sides. But if we take triangle ABC, its sides are not given. But if we add AD and DB both, it is giving AB. And if we add AE and EC both, it is also giving AC. So if we use convertendo, or if we first use invertendo and then componendo, that is, what is the meaning of convertendo, what is invertendo, what is componendo, do you all know? This we have discussed in the topic ratio and proportion. So what is the meaning of invertendo? Invertendo means if A is to B is given equal to C is to D, this ratio is given, so its inverse is also correct, means B is to A equals to D is to C. Now convert. Now one more property is componendo. Componendo property means if A is to B is given equal to C is to D, it implies A plus B is to B equals to C plus D is to D. For simplification, we can write it in fraction form also. And convertendo property is that it is obtained by combining these two. If A is to B equals to C is to D is given, it implies A upon A plus B equals to C upon C plus D. So if we use this property, so we can easily prove that if AD is to DB is given, AD is to DB equals to A is to EC. And if we use convertendo, then it makes AD is to AD plus TB, that is AB, equals to AE is to AE plus AC, that is AC. So AD is to AB becomes AE is to AC. So we can easily prove that sides of triangle ADE, AD is to D are proportional to the side of triangle ABC, AB is to AC. And this will be used to prove the similarity. Then the angle between AD and AE in triangle ADE is angle DAE. And angle between a side AB and AC of triangle ABC is angle BAC. These two angles DAE and BAC are also equal. So these two triangles are similar by using the SAS criteria of similarity, that if two triangles have two sides proportional and angle between them equal, then the triangles are similar. So let's now start. First of all, we write the names of the triangle for which we have to prove the similarity. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AD is to DB is given equals to A is to EC given. So directly if we use convertendo, not only write this property name of the property, but write the statement also, that is if A is to B equals C is to D, it implies A upon A plus B equals to C upon C plus D. It implies AD upon AD plus DB equals to AE upon AE plus EC. In place of A, it has AD. In place of B, it has DB. So A plus B means AD plus DB. And in place of C, we have AE. In place of D, we have EC. So C upon C plus D means A upon A plus EC. Now look at the figure, AD upon. So this AD plus DB is equal to AB itself. So we can write AB equals to A upon A plus EC is AC. So these two are the sides of triangle AD, and the sides at the denominator are the sides of triangle ABC. Now look at the angle between the sides of triangle ADE. Side AD and AE are the two sides, and angle between them is angle DAE. So we write its name. Now angle DAE, which is the angle of triangle ADE and lying between the sides AD and AE, which are proportional to the sides AB and AC. AD and AE are proportional to AB is to AC, and angle between them are common. So clearly these two triangles are similar. So we write the name of angle BAC, which is also lying between the proportional sides, as these are the common angles. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by using SAS criteria of similarity. And if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will be equal. So angle opposite to AD is angle AD. AD is at the numerator, and side opposite to AD in triangle ADE is angle AED, and at the denominator side AB is there, and the angle opposite to side AB of triangle ABC is angle ACB. So these two angles are equal, and similarly these two angles are also equal, and we need to write only one pair of angles which are equal to prove that these two triangles are angles are equal, so the sides are proportional. So the sides are, sorry, parallel. So the angle opposite to AD, side AD, in triangle ADE, that is angle AED, equals to the angle opposite to side AB of triangle ABC, that is angle ACB. And what is the reason for this? We write the reason: angles opposite to corresponding sides. In case of proportional, if you write corresponding sides, corresponding means एक जैसी, angles opposite to corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. Angles are equal and sides are proportional. So if angle AED equals to angle ACB, but with respect to DE and BC, these are the corresponding angles. If the corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So DE is parallel to BC by using corresponding angles axiom. We all know that if corresponding angles like this are equal, then these two lines are parallel. So similar thing we have used. These two angles are equal, so the line, this is transversal, and so DE is parallel to BC. Corresponding angles are equal, so the lines are parallel. Is that clear to everyone? This is what we have to prove in this question. So last line we write, hence proved. This is very easy method to prove the similarity. SAS, if two sides are proportional, an angle between them are equal. So let's discuss it again. A line intersecting any two sides of a triangle proportionally is parallel to the third side. Means this time AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC is given. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. For this, we will prove the similarity of triangle AED and triangle ABC first of all. And if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles will be equal. So if we prove that their corresponding angles are equal, then sides will be proportional. So DE will be parallel to BC. So how to prove the similarity? First of all, for this, we use the ratio AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC. And if we add AD and DB, we can get AB, which is one of the side of triangle ABC. And if we add AE and EC, we can get the side AC of triangle ABC. So how to add them? When it is given that AD is to DB equals to A is to EC. So if we use convertendo, I already have discussed with you the meaning of convertendo. If AB is to A is to B equals C is to D is given, then numerator remains A. Actually, it is, we all know that its name is antecedents, and these two, antecedents plus consequents, equals to antecedent upon antecedents plus consequent at the right hand side also. This property is called consequent. This property is called convertendo. So if we use convertendo AD is to DB equals A is to EC, it is giving AD upon AD plus DB equals to AE upon AE plus EC. Using convertendo, we have written the property also. So AD upon, now from the figure, AD plus DB, you can look at this, AD plus DB is equal to AB. So we replace AD plus DB by AB. And similarly in right hand side, AE plus EC is replaced by AC. We write AC. So an angle between AD and AE is angle DAE in triangle AD. An angle between AB and AC in triangle ABC is angle BAC. So if we write this angle also, which is lying between the two proportional sides. So it is SAS criteria of similarity by which we have proved the similarity between triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So if triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are also equal. So the angle opposite to side AD is angle AED and angle opposite to side AB is angle AEB. ACB, if they are equal, it means DE is parallel to BC. Hence proof. This is what we have to prove. Is that clear to everyone? So continue to revise this and prove it yourself so that you can understand it well. And ask if you have any doubt in comment box. Anyone has doubt, he can ask it in comment box.